So this is the back of the Xavax1000. You have your antenna, you have your camera input here, your sub output here, and then you have your front and rear. Basically, you'll have 3 sets of RCAs, only this is a mono. You have your mic input, you have your remote input. Basically, if you have, you know, steering wheel remote or anything like that, your main harness, and then you have your actual Molex from Sony up here that can do for like XM and stuff like that. So that's pretty much the rear of the unit and how it is. There is no USBs on the rear or wired USBs on this particular unit. Everything is all in the front. So this is our review on the Sony Xavax1000. It's a really good unit, especially for the price point. You have your rotary knob on the left-hand side right here, which turns the volume up and down, which is really nice, especially in like the Corvettes, things like that. It looks very OEM. You have your USB right here, which you can do actual Apple CarPlay. Cannot do Android Auto, but you can do Apple CarPlay, which is really nice. You just plug your USB in and plug it into your phone and it'll pop it up onto the screen. It also has an aux in case if you want to do that, but the unit does have built-in Bluetooth as well. You can click this home screen up here and that gets you to all your different presets and, you know, basically Bluetooth, XM. This is actual XM compatible with the module. Basically, you plug in the module to the back to the Molex and then you'll be able to have, you know, the Sirius XM. You have your aux button here for here. You can actually do rear camera on this unit as well, which is really nice. And then you have your phone here, so you can use your phone for Bluetooth. You have USB, which goes to here, so you can actually put songs, videos, things like that all on here, and you can watch those on this unit, which is really nice. I actually do that in my personal car, so I put all my music and my movies on a thumb drive right here, and you can watch them basically right on the screen. Now, the greatest part about this is the resolution of the screen is absolutely amazing, very similar to the 5000. I really like the resolution, which is why I go with this head unit over a lot of other head units, because the screen, the clarity, the resolution, the fitment of the way it looks OEM, it just is a really nice head unit by far. The glare, there is none. As you can see, it's very good all the way around, especially right now. It's super sunny outside and it still looks great clarity. So that's one of the reasons why I think this unit is a great price. A lot of people ask me, you know, why would you go with this unit over other? There's so many features it has for the price point compared to other head units, and the best thing is longevity and sound quality. The sound quality that comes out of this is so much better than any other head unit. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because the processor or because the amp, but everything about this head unit is much better, especially when I've done them in multiple vehicles and we just changed out the head unit. The sound quality increased by probably between 40 to 60% on the same stock speakers. Especially on this unit, we did a C6 Corvette with Bose, and it sounds absolutely amazing integration with the Bose unit itself. So in all, I rate this head unit very highly. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd be like a 9.5, especially for the price point. Great head unit, which is the Sony Xavax1000.